What's up, nail friends? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a dip system color change, and I'm going to share with you how to do this pretty purple pansy design. So let's get started. So to start, I have to file down the old set. So this really pretty rose quartz design, I did film this, so you can check my description box for that video. This bit I'm using here is a little bit sharper than the normal one I use because I find that the dip system's a little bit harder to file than a regular acrylic set. So I'll post down below the exact link on where I got this bit. First, I debulk the nail, and then I'm coming in with a hand file to fix up the shape and shorten the nails. I'm just pushing back the skin here to reveal the cuticle that's on the nail plate. And then I'm using a cuticle bit here to file that off. And to remove the shine, I'm using a sanding band on a super low setting. Make sure to remove all the dust left behind. And then I'm using the first step in the dip system, and this is the primer. The second step in the KIARA dip system is to apply base. And I'm applying this at the regrowth area and all over the full nail. And then I'm dipping the nail into the natural powder. I'm tapping under the nail to knock off some of that excess dust, and then I'm just going to leave that and wipe it off later just so it can saturate and soak in. And then I'm repeating the process on the other nails. After all 10 nails are done, I come back to the first hand, and now I'm using a really fluffy brush to wipe off all that extra dust. Now I'm applying base on the whole nail all over again, but this time I'm going to be dipping it in color. So the color that I'm using here is KIARA Sky's Totally Whipped. This is a really pretty kind of lavender purple, and I'm going to be doing this on 3 of the nails. On her ring finger and her middle finger, I'm going to be doing these nails white. So I'm applying the base, and then I'm going to be dipping this into KIARA Sky's Frosted Sugar. Again, after both hands have been done, I'm coming back to the first hand and really wiping off all that extra dust again with a really fluffy brush. And I'm just repeating the process of the same colors, the purple with the purple nails and the white with the white nails. Again, remove all the dust, and now I'm going to be encapsulating the nails and trying to create an apex. So what I'm doing here is applying base all over the nail, and then I'm sprinkling the dip system clear over top and trying to create extra bulk right in the center. For the clear dip system, the reason you'll want to sprinkle it on top instead of dip is because you don't want that color that's on the other nail to contaminate your clear jar. After all the nails have been applied, I let that dry for a little bit, and then I'm coming in with a more sharper kind of dust brush and really wiping off all the extra dust. Now I'm coming in with Seal Protect, and you're going to want to slather this on and around the nail and around the free edge, and this will help set that acrylic. For finish filing, I'm using my 100 to 180 grit hand file. This has been scored on the edges so that I don't cut her in the corners. And then I'm just going along the free edge here to try to fix up that shape. And then I'm coming in with this cone-shaped carbide bit. I think I got this one from Poochie's Nails. And I use these bits around the cuticle area to clean that area up. Then I'm coming in with a ceramic bit, so this isn't super sharp, I just like to use this to help debulk the nail. And I'm going mainly around the cuticle area and the free edge and keeping the bulk directly in the center to keep that apex. I always finish off with my hand file, going around the free edge and the shape again, and then all over the nail to roughen up the top to make sure that it's nice and even and has no harsh scratches or deep divots from my e-file. So I'm going to be applying stamping and a gel top coat. So what you're going to want to do now is apply your Seal Protect, and then you're going to want to use a lint-free wipe to really wipe that in and saturate it. But then you're going to want to take a white buffing block and buff off the top because your gel polish won't stick to that Seal Protect surface. And now we're going to come in with some stamping. So here I'm using the Talia's collaboration plate with the clear jelly stamper. And I'm not going to speed this up. I'm going to show you how long it takes me to do the stamping, just so you guys can see that it doesn't dry super fast, but you still need to work kind of fast. So I'm using a light purple to start the pansies. On one of her fingers we'll have 2 pansies, and then on the other finger we'll just have 1 big one. So next I'm using a darker purple for the inside of this pansy, and you just need to try to line this up. It doesn't really need to be perfect because flowers aren't perfect, but I'm just trying to line this up the best I can to give it that pansy effect. For the center of the pansies, I decided to apply white and then apply yellow because I have some pansies on my deck and they are light purple, dark purple, white, and yellow. So I thought I'd try and incorporate the white and the yellow in with this design. Now I decided to use a matte top coat on these, but you could totally use shiny. But one tip when applying gel top coat on top of stamping designs is to apply your top coat and then apply a second top coat really quickly before she sticks her hand in the lamp, because gel seems to want to pull away from the stamping because I guess of just the oils in it or something. So sometimes I'll apply 2 coats. Give that a cure and wipe off the tacky layer, and here's the finished result. I hope you guys like this design. It's super simple and super easy, but I thought it would be great for spring. Don't forget to check back for more tutorials. I have some gel ones coming and an acrylic baby boomer design showing you guys different colors to use and different styles. So don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Keep your nails long and your glitter strong.